Hi everybody, this video is about 5 dividend stocks that are 100% franked for passive income. 5 dividend stocks I'm looking at today. What will I get back from them in dividends if I invest $5,000 in each? Before I continue, I must say this is not financial advice and you must do your own research before doing an investing. I'm Australian, I invest in the Australian stock market or the ASX. If you do not invest in the Australian stock market, this information might not be helpful to you. Now let's get to the video. First company. GrainCorp Limited, stock code GNC. GrainCorp Limited is an agricultural company in Australia that buys and sells grain and handles the marketing and logistics. Founded in 1917. Current price per share is $7.49. 52-week high, $8.38. 52-week low, $6.68. Over the previous year, it started at $8.02. It is currently at $7.49, which is a 53 cents difference. Over the last 5 years, it started at $4.06. It is now at $7.49, which is $3.43 difference. They have missed a dividend payout in 2019. The most recent payout was 30 cents for a total of 54 cents for the year. Dividend yield is at 3.8% at 100% franked. They pay out in July and December. Second company, Westpac Banking Corporation. Stock code WBC. Westpac is a bank in Australia working in the finance sector. Price currently per share is $21.27. 52-week high, $24.14. 52-week low, $20.03. If we look at the previous 5 years, it started at $23.75. It is currently at $21.27, which is $2.48 difference. If we look at the previous 5 years, it started at $25.66. Now currently $21.27, which is $4.29 difference. Most recent dividend payout was 72 cents for a total of $1.42 for the year. Dividend yield is carried out at 6.7% at 100% franked. They pay out in June and December. Third company, Yancoal Australia Limited, stock code YAL. Yancoal is an Australian mining company operating mines in New South Wales, Queensland and Western Australia. Founded in 2004. Price per share is currently $4.95. 52-week high, $6.96. 52-week low, $4.35. Looking over the previous year, it started at $5.66. Currently at $4.95, which is a 71 cents difference. Looking over the previous 5 years, it started at $3.58. Currently at $4.95, which is $1.37 difference. They missed a dividend payout in 2021. They just start franking their shares this year. Most recent dividend payout was 37 cents for a total of $1.07 for the year. Dividend yield is at 10.7% at 100% franked. They pay out in April and September. Fourth company, WAM Microcap Limited. Stock code WMI. WAM Microcap Limited is an investment company that focuses in fully franked dividend stocks over medium to long term. Founded in 2017. Current price is $1.40. 52-week high, $1.68. 52-week low, $1.30. If we look over the previous year, it started at $1.68. Currently at $1.40, which is a 27 cents difference. If you look over the previous 5 years, it started at $1.29. Currently $1.40, which is 11 cents difference. The most recent dividend payout was 5 cents. Dividend yield is currently at 7.5% at 100% franked. They pay out in April and October. Fifth company, Harvey Norman Holdings Limited, stock code HVN. Harvey Norman is an Australian multinational retailer of furniture, bedding, computers, communications and consumer electrical products, founded in 1982. Price currently per share is $3.78. 52-week high, $4.54. 52-week low, $3.18. Over the previous year, started at $4.36. Currently $3.78, which is a 58 cents difference. Looking over the previous 5 years, started at $3.11. Currently $3.78, which is a 67 cents difference. Most recent dividend payout was 12 cents for a total of 25 cents for the year. Dividend yield is at 6.6% at 100% franked. They pay out in May and November. This is my fourth video on the ASX. These 5 companies we have talked about today have reached my top 20. The ones in blue are the ones we've talked about today. Investing $5,000 into HVN would have bought me 1,322 shares. Working off the 25 cents per share in dividends would have got me $330.75. Investing $5,000 into BWC would have brought me 235 shares. Working off the $1.42 per share in dividends would have got me $333.70. Investing $5,000 into GWC would have brought me 667 shares. Working off the 54 cents in dividends per share would have got me $360.18. Investing $5,000 into WMI would have bought me 3,571 shares. Working off the 12 cents per share in dividends would have got me $428.52. Investing $5,000 into YAN would have bought me 1,010 shares. Working off $1.07 per share in dividends would have got me $1,080.70. If you like what you have watched today, please subscribe so you get the notifications every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.